Hi guys, how are you doing? Today I'm gonna do a color combination I've never done. I was cleaning up the studio and found these colors aligned like this. This is olive green and they're sort of fall colors. There's no vibrant color in there because also the orange is mixed with white. So we got yellow, orange, Van Dyke brown, bronze and olive green. I'm not sure if I like it because there's not much of a popping color in there. These are more the earthy tones. More nature tones. Yes. Okay, let's start. Okay, I'm gonna start with yellow, Van Dyke brown, orange, some olive green, and then gold. Okay. Pour white around the bottle. Blow the white over. This is always such an awesome part, seeing these cells pop up. Okay, and now I'm gonna blow it out. Okay, yeah, this is very different than what I usually go for. Not a vibrant color at all in this. Okay, I'm gonna torch this. And then I think there's too much olive green here. I like this part, so I'm just gonna pull it off like this. And just white. Yeah. Okay. I'm liking this. Maybe I should do a earthy an earthy collection. Yeah. So I thought I wouldn't like it this much, but I do. I really like it. I feel like there's coming a nature line collection coming up or something. So stay tuned on my channel and see you next time.